Hey guys, it's me, your boy Gaming Monster, and today we're going to be playing Moto X3M on Cool Math Games. So I did the first level, but I'll redo it, just because. So here we go. And here we go. And there he goes, flying. Boink. Alright guys, so pretty much the basic point of this game is to get to the finish line in less than the amount of time, that is given, or whatever. Here we go. Level 2. Here we go. And he's going, and he's going, and he's going. So how am I supposed to... Okay. Oh, okay. So there's a second level for you. Yeah, pop that willy. Ah. And here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, let's try it again. Ooh, ah. Ooh. Yep, we're dead. Here we go. Ah, it ain't working. Alright, hold on, guys. We're gonna have to restart completely. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Your boy gonna get it. Ooh. Ooh. Here we go. Ooh. Come on, we gotta get this done in the amount of time that is given. Alright, so guys, here we go. So, this isn't my favorite game. Pretty sure not everybody's gonna want to watch me drive a motorcycle the entire time, but, I mean, I've been gone for such a long time that I'm just like, meh. And there he goes. Whatever. Pretty sure everybody wants to see the second round. Not this. Over and over. Oh. Gosh, dang it. Dude, this is so different because I usually play hill climb racing, like you guys have seen. Ooh, yeah, okay. So, I think I'm pretty much done with this game for now. So I'm playing a new game, but I will have to warn that I do have a warning. Please avoid this, skip this part of the video if you are sensitive. Or, like, sensitive to bright flashing lights and stuff like that. Because this game I have played before and it has very many lights, as you can see right here. So, let's get started. What are you doing? You can't just show up here with your fancy sign. And ha ha ha, what's wrong, old man? Afraid of a little competition? I'm not afraid of you kids. You won't last a week here. Oh yeah? If you're so sure, let's make a bet. We bet we'll have more customers than you by the end of the week. Winner stays on this corner. You're on. You don't stand a chance. I'm gonna need one of those signs. I need a sign. Sold. Oh. That's a good start, but if you want to compete these days, you'll need more than a basic sign. I'll sell punch cards for all the latest settings. Huh? But they tend to sell out pretty quickly. Jay's turn. Hey, new guy, do you want some quick advice? Sure, let's hear it. Ooh, ah. Ooh, the time of customers you get. Ooh, right now you're just trying to get the best punch cards before Filthy Burger. They'll take turns choosing the card. Okay, which one has the most? Oh, but that. I'm gonna go pretty cheap here. Okay. Your purchases for today. Prepare your sign. Okay, then let's try that with that. And then this one is going to say perfectly hygienic burgers. Tuesday. Jay's food. Oh, it looks like Filthy Burger's already getting the most customers. Oh, maybe Jay's. Oh. What's the matter? You got a problem with me winning? Ugh, this guy. Here's the sign store. Huh. Which one to choose? Which one to choose? Yeah, boy. Alright. Prepare your sign. Here we go. Don't eat that. Eat this. There's the Wednesday. Wait, Wednesday? I think so. I don't know. Alright, guys. How am I doing? Sorry, guys. I had to pause the video because I had to go get something done. Alright, so total today, I beat him again. Yep. The people demand novelty. Thursday. Please let me be first. Please let me be first. Yeah. Oh. Wait, how come they get 70? Yes. Oh. Wait a minute. Did I say 50? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to go back and rewind that and see what that said. Okay, guys. I just rewinded it and I figured out it only said 5. So let's get this one that says 5. And I only got 20, so I can only do that. Please don't pick the 20. Oh, thank God. No, I wanted that one that said 5. How dare you! I demand my refund! I demand my refund. How dare they? Colors, orders. Effects, teleport. And it's for you. You gonna get 2. Fall down. Yes. 17 customers, huh? Once again, I win. Ho. 17. Come on, you gotta give me a lot of money for that. Come on now. No, they're only all worth 1. Game saved Friday. Wait, why does he get 70? That's a bunch of baloney. Don't you dare pick J Sucks one. Don't you dare. Don't. Okay, I do need that, but then I'll